Evening, Sunday the 5th of the 7th. Granddaughter's first birthday party yesterday, barbecue. I was not the time to get all down allotment, so I've had to come tonight. Let's spin around, let's have a look in the greenhouse. Pinch you in a little bit. Got a couple of cucumbers, don't know why that one's yellow, but hey ho, never mind. And look, we've got our first Black Moon tomatoes. Don't think they're quite ripe yet. We've got money makers. Don't seem to be doing much there. Just a few at the back here. Next one along is the Alicante, and got some decent ones on this one. Couple, not many. I'm still going flowers at the top. Next one along is another black opal, but obviously it's not. So this must be a Crimson Crush. Remember, I got the seeds mixed up. Well, I didn't mix them up, the bloody label for them, and replanted them again. This one here is another Alicante. A few down there. This one is the cherry, Cherise, I think it's called. I'll have to tie it back to this because it's well and truly leaning over. And this one here is the chocolate cherry. Not many, just a few flowers. Not many on it though, to be honest. And last but not least, this one is the Black Russian. But I don't think they're Black Russians. I think them seeds might have got mixed up, and it wasn't me this time. Turning around, cucumber plant, get obviously sort them cucumbers off it. These are now okay. God knows I've actually tied these back along there. And the chilli plants in the allotment are flowering and growing chilies. One's at home, not doing anything. I tried to pull a cabbage out because it was well and truly ate by slugs. I think some of these actually come out now, to be honest, because now they're starting to get attacked. Look at this. I've not been able to get down for a week. I complain that there's nothing and I get pretty flowers. Can't win, can you? To be honest, they can just be snapped out and let it grow some more from here. I'll actually cut them actually with the, and save damage and all that. So some of these can actually be taken now. I've got these stupid cheap crap things that I bought years ago, so I sold things up. Yeah, I've got another weed. Let's go to pull this garlic out. He was getting that weed now. Pull the rest of this garlic out and let the sweet corn grow. We'll clear this bed. That's bolted as well because of the heat. Look at the state of this lot of the slugs. Thing is, if I buy nematodes, it's a pointless task because when it floods, I get all that lot, all over the allotment. So it is a bit of a pain in the backside, to be honest. And that's the garlic out. A couple of cucumbers. Garlic's clear now, so they can stay. He wants to have some rhubarb. She's never tried rhubarb before, so I've got two sticks. That'll do for us. And then the rest, like I did say, it can actually stay to rock down back into its own crown. Not a bad little harvest. Rhubarb, garlic, couple of pointer cabbages, and a fair bit of sprouting broccoli. It's not too bad really, is it? Not bad for half hour allotment. Main thing is we watered. Right, that's just a quick update. See you all later. Bye bye.